So how are we going to start?
Oh, no. Hold me. Want to teach?
The Bluetooth device
Okay, let me tell you.
connected
If you want to learn how to
Where's mine? Wait. I'm looking for who to teach me how to drive. I want to learn.
we are looking for who will teach you how to drive Okada. Okada.
Yes, Okada. I want to learn. Can you teach me?
Who am I? In fact, let me tell you, I'm the best driving school we have this area.
Are you
I will
serious?
teach you.
So I met the right person.
Yes, enter.
So how are we going to start?
Oh, no. Hold me. Want to teach?
the Bluetooth device
Okay, let me tell you.
connected
If you want to learn
successfully.
how to drive Okada, understand? You have to be, more accurate. Understand? You have to listen to me. Anything I tell you to do, you do it. Touch my head. You are a good student. I'm checking whether you have discipline. Understand? So
Okay.
hold me tight. Yeah. So if you want to know how to drive Okada, first of all, you have to know what we call throttle. You have to throttle. We call them piwon. Say it. You call it the piwon.
I know you are smoking.
Okay, now touch here. Touch
Which
here.
one are you smoking?
Is here the piwon?
Yeah, no. I'm trying to know you're obedient. Understand? Touch it. Hold it.
Oh, God, you are
So
possessed.
here now we call it apart from Okada. When you want to drive, if you enter another Okada you want to drive and the person don't have a good heart, So when you touch the heart, if you're not doing big boom, that person is a bad person. Understand? So my heart is doing big boom now. Big boom. It's doing big boom. Okay, now hold it here. First now, understand? You want to drive now, you focus. Focus. If you focus like this now, understand? So
You are not focusing.
no, I'm focusing. Are you challenging your teacher?
Sorry.
So you have to focus. Focus now. You have to hold your crutches. This one they call it crutch.
Crutch.
Crutch. You have to put it on
Is
now.
it the crush they use
Yeah.
someone that
No, this one is for Okada. Crutch. You hold it now. This is what you call mpiwon. Say mpiwon. You hold the mpiwon. You hear that?
I'm learning,
Yeah.
God have
For now,
mercy
today, you have learned what you call mpiwon. Say mpiwon. Say mpiwon. I will teach you. I will teach you. Tomorrow, yes, you come in front of this gate. Understand?
what
I
time?
came to see one of my guys here. Come and see one. Okay, now. Bye.
Taking alcohol too much.
What's it current? Come on.
God have mercy upon us.
My phone. Where's she there? My phone. Oh. This guy don't steal my phone. I don't know where she entered. Where's my phone? How? You change. Hope you would not cause me problem. Don't steal my phone.
Oh.